Hi children, how are you all? In last class, what we have learned? Festivals. Okay, religious festivals and national festivals. Now we have learned our houses. There are two types of houses. Next we have learned. A house is a place where we live with our family. We feel safe and protected in our house. Houses are of different types. They are made up of different materials. The two main types of houses. Have you understood, children? Next, we have learned types of houses. Types of houses. There are two types of houses, Kacha house and Paka house. Kacha house, Kute H-A, Kacha house, H-O-U-S-E house. Paka, P-U-C-C-A, Paka house. Next, we will learn new words. Igloo, a house made up of blocks of ice. A house made up of blocks of ice. Igloo, I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Tell me children, I-G-L-O-O, igloo. The next we have learned transportation. Means of transportation, vehicles used for moving from one place to another. Transportation, T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T-A-T-I-O-N. Transportation. Next we have learned tent, a house made up of a large and thick cloth. Tent, T-E-N-T, tent, T-E-N-T, tent, a house made up of a large and thick cloth. Have you understood, children? Next, we have learned caravan, a house on wheels. C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan, a house on wheels. A house on wheels. Next, we have learned houseboat. Do you like houseboat, children? Yes, houseboat, H-O-U-S-E, houseboat, B-O-A-T, boat. It is a big covered boat. It is a big covered boat. Houseboat, it is a big covered boat. Already we have learned Kacha house and Paka house. Now, learn the explanations. In villages, some houses are made of mud and straw. Such houses are called Kacha house. These houses are made up of mud and leaves, hay, straw, bamboos, etc. Such houses are usually found in villages. They can be made and broken down easily. Huts, mostly found in villages, have one room, not very strong. These houses are not very strong. They may break when there is heavy rain or strong wind. Bangla, mostly found in towns and cities. They are big houses, has many rooms. They are strong houses and take a long time to build. They last of many years and are able to bear horse weather. These houses are made up of bricks, woods, cements, iron, steel, etc. Multi buildings found in big towns and cities. Some buildings have many houses. These houses are called flats and apartments. They are built on top of the another. They are mainly found in towns and cities. Many peoples in village also live in Paka houses. Next, we have learned special houses. Igloos, found in the places which is covered with snow all through the year. It is made up of blocks of ice and snow. Okay, there are some special kinds of houses that people live in at some places. These houses are called igloos. Igloos are houses found in very cold places. They are made of blocks of ice. Caravans, houses on wheels, they can be driven from one place to another. A caravan is a house on wheels designed for people to live and sleep in. People can also move from one place to another in it. In earlier time, caravans used to be drawn by horses or but nowadays it is attached to vans or trunks. It is used in transportation in not very good. Next we have learned tents made of caravans, canvas or plastics used when people camp in open. They can be flowed and carried easily anywhere. It is a shelter made up of a thick cloth. The cloth is known as canvas. For a short time, soldiers make these types of houses for their stay during campus. These are also called mobile houses. Do you like houseboats? Yes. Houseboats are houses on the boat. Tourists often live in them. They are also called floating houses. It is a big covered boat with 2 or 3 rooms. It is made of wood. People live in these boats and move from place to place in the lake. Okay, children, have you understood the houses? Let's see the next class. Okay, thank you.